Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how I make 3 of my favorite bread recipes. So the first one is really simple. All you need is just 2 ingredients. That's bread and cheese slice, and then I use butter as well for extra browning. But if you have a non-stick toaster, you don't need to use the butter for your bread. But here I used butter for my bread because I just like the extra color and the crunch the butter gives to it. So basically that's it. Insert your cheese slices in between 2 bread slices and apply some butter on the bottom panel and top panel of your toaster. And basically that's it. Here just the toaster is actually very hot, that's why you can see the oil sizzling away as soon as I apply it. So after that, you want to add your bread that has the cheese in it and then let it toast. I think toasting takes about a minute or 2 depending on the kind of toaster you have, but mine is done now at 1 minute. And this is what it looks like. This is a really simple go-to breakfast recipe. I love this option a lot when I don't have time and I just want to have some bread. So the next one is, I don't know what to call this, but sometimes I just mix things in my house and just eat. So that's 1 egg and grilled sausages. This is just 1 grilled sausage. And then I added a little bit of black pepper, I think chili pepper, and some fresh parsley as well, just to give it some color and healthy, good stuff. So you just want to combine all this together again. And next is your bread and butter as well. So you take some of that mixture and put it in between 2 bread slices again. And then I added cheese to this. I think it's half the cheese I sliced. And then I covered it and did the same to the next one. Basically that's it. Put your mixture in the bread, put the slice, cover the bread, apply some butter on your toaster, and toast your bread. So this is another fast, easy recipe you can make for your friends or your kids, even if you're rushing after work. This takes less than 5 minutes, guys, to prepare. And the first one takes about a minute or 2. So yeah, my bread is done. And this is what it looks like. It was so delicious, guys. So the next one is more, well, I say complicated. It just has more ingredients. So I'm showing you what I did use. So what I started with was breaking down my boiled eggs like so, and then added my vegetables. That's some sweet corn and some carrots. I added everything. I don't know why I was splitting it in the first place. So I mixed that all together. And next I added my black pepper and sprinkled some of that parsley on it, and chili sauce as well. You can skip this chili sauce if you don't have, it's optional. And then I added my mayo to combine everything together, just so it brings it all together and looks so good like this. So next up, what I did was apply some mayo on my bread, sorry. And you don't necessarily have to do this, but this just gives them the mixture at the end of the day, some moisture, great moisture. So I just added my filling and allowed every part of the bread to be coated by it, and then applied some mayo on the top bread, and that's it. So I did the same for the second bread slice, second bread pair, and that's it. And then next I added some of that butter on my toaster again. Like I said, adding the butter on your toaster is really optional, especially if you're using a non-stick toaster. And my bread is done after 1 minute. This is what the third one looks like, guys. Like, it was so delicious and exciting. Please, if you got to this point in this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And make sure you try this recipe with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.